Hello. Welcome. Oh my god. Hello there, everybody. Kirk and Che Guevara is here. Hello there. Kirktown. Yes. TLA. Hello there. Oh yeah. The weather is definitely good right now. On your feet. All right. Thank you. Sorry I wasn't here in London, but I told you guys yesterday. Family stuff. Hello, Tudor. Welcome. But anyway, markets are about to open, and I'm still finishing some portion of my lunch because I just got back to the computer not too recently. Today's Bias is easy. Rumors are saying that Trump is going to announce exiting from the NATO today. That's what insiders are saying, that Trump is going to announce that US is leaving the NATO. If that's so, the markets could drop a little bit. I'm not sure. Maybe it's a positive thing. Yeah, something like that. The good old Cold War, you know. Arms race, yeah. I mean, if he leaves the NATO, I think there is not enough champagne in Russia, you know, to celebrate that. Delicious lunch I'm having. All right. Anyway, this is the 15-minute chart. Excuse me that I'm eating, but I haven't eaten anything today. All right. Oh, really? They are flying. Check out says past Bulenox 50k account. How much profit for safety net? How much? You need to make $2,600 in your safety net, and the minimum payout. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Che Guevara. So the minimum withdrawal is $1,000, but you need to leave the safety net on your account, which means you have to go up to $3,600 on Bulenox. So the goal is to get to $3,600. You can close the account, but you only get like 20% of the safety net. So that's not worth it, I think. You only get like 20, maybe 30, but I think 20%. So 3,600, that's the goal. That is the goal. For example, I requested a payout from this Bulenox account that you see here. I requested a payout, $1,500. I should be getting it next week. So, how much time do we have? We have time. RC, welcome. All right, I'm finished with the food. But I wasn't eating all day. I was just drinking some water. All right. So, yesterday's PM session has been taken out. I know, Kirk. I know. I'm aware. All right, we have a sell side liquidity there. And this was a PM session and another one. Yeah, that's an important level. And what else do we have? We have another one a little bit lower. Oh, come on. Anyway, I don't get it. So we took that out too. Took out that sell side. What if this one wants to just, reprice higher? What if that's the case? Too much what ifs, right? So actually I'm looking for price to retest higher. Look at this candle here. The 7 a.m. candle. Now that's an important level. That's a very important level. 474.75 could be a possible target for later. Oh, King Jad, what up? Just made it. Me too, man. I was like, I almost. And Naomi's here. Welcome, Naomi. I almost didn't get here on time. Yeah, me too. Me too. Alright, I'm not gonna pick my teeth. That would be disgusting to do it on stream. We still have 2 minutes. But I can do this. Haha. Now you don't see me picking my teeth. Alright, much better. Where can it go? I'm for now, I'm definitely bullish for that level up there. But you have to wait and see. What is going on? $30. Bit more volume on that 328 wick. Let's see. 20 seconds. Oh, crude oil. I see. Well, here we go. 10 seconds. Everybody be careful. Good luck. And here we go. No. That, yes, sorry. We're open. Okay. Went down for a bit of liquidity here. What kind of news we have for now? Is it gonna go higher? So much. It's just looks like it's just ranging a little bit. I mean, not ranging, but standing still. Yeah, we got nothing right now. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. I mean, I was expecting more, to be honest. But I think everybody's waiting for Trump to announce that the US is withdrawing from the NATO. Yeah. Definitely uncertain. Is he going to speak today? He's speaking today, right? Not much. Bond auction. Hey, Nintendo. Is there some issue? There's always some issue. Which issue? I mean, we have many issues. Depends on which issue are we talking about. You can choose. We have multiple. 9 p.m. Okay, so that's not gonna be a thing. So that's gonna be actually. Oh yeah, that's gonna be 3 a.m. in the morning, in my time. After the market close. So that's definitely gonna be the NATO. I'm gonna make a bet. I bet that it's gonna be that US is exiting from the NATO. That's my bet. Well, some news portals on X and some forums are saying that unconfirmed insider information says that Trump is gonna announce it. That so some bigger news portals. Yeah, it's not easy. So yeah. So he can announce it, but the exit is just not like in one day. It has to take, I think, even several months or even more to exit. I don't know. But so far, it seems like some big news portals are picking up the info. I don't think it will take years. I don't think so. He needs Congress as well. Yes, he needs Congress approval for that. But I think he has the Congress. I think the Congress actually. I mean, basically, pretty much on his side. Yeah, I was reading an article today about this, and it's not that easy. It's a little bit more complex. But you know, I will not doubt Trump. Me neither. I mean, what he says, he does it. You know. You know. Usually. But yeah, if the U.S. exits NATO, then most likely Ukraine will join. Yeah, absolutely, Tudor. The main provider is the U.S. So actually, the U.S. is providing 60% of military equipment and funding for NATO. The biggest funding comes from the U.S. I mean, if he does it, I think that that most of the European countries, I mean, every European country has to rewrite their budgets because they have to fill that void with some money, obviously. By the way, here was a nice trade at 8:30. Should have taken this, right? Look at that. What a beautiful trade could have been. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think so too. But I don't know. It's hard to say what's gonna happen after that. Hard to say. Oh yeah. Yeah. You know, maybe we can be the next state of the United States. Why not? Why not? Oh man. Okay, we have a possible shift here. Yeah, it's all about money in the end. Oh, look at this. Could this be a possible shift? I guess it could, right? Oh, yeah. 1 micro as always. Let's see if we can get it. All right, I might enter a long position. On this. But maybe not. Oh, 474. I can feel it. I actually entered with 1 micro already. 474.75. I like that level. But I'm gonna add 1 more. But who knows? Natasha, hey there. Good to see you. Don't worry, my entry is very bad. I have a very bad entry. It's terrible, actually. And I don't even have a stop loss on yet. There it is. Looking for 469. Okay. I would like to say I told you. 674 is the drawn liquidity. I mean, no. Come on. 474. Where am I? Where's my brain? 474.75 is the drawn liquidity. Yeah. Yeah, I'm long. I'm long. Let me go back here. I might gonna add 1 more if it goes down. And that's gonna be it. That's why I don't have a stop yet. And we'll see. So 1 more buy limit down there. You too? Are you long? Originally from godforsaken Eastern Europe. Oh. No, Russian slave state. I mean, okay, I understand now. Okay, so let's see. Is this gonna go? I don't like this, to be honest. Man. Not my favorite entry, that's for sure. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm in a long position. It's not looking good. It's actually looking very bad. Very bad right now. The risk reward ratio is absolutely horrendous, I know. Yeah. I mean, I actually don't. Yeah, but it's gonna happen. Oh man, I was really hoping for this position. This is gonna be a $250-ish loss, and I think I'm out. Almost out from this. Mm, mm, mm. I don't think I want to re-enter. 15-minute candle looks like a doji. I don't know. Well, I'm out. There you go. $268 loss. It is what it is. Yeah. Dang. Yeah. And look at that. Took me out. It might gonna go back up there. Actually, I should have entered a bit lower, not up there. Let's look at something else. Oh, there's nothing there. I feel like it wants to create a new low here. I want to go down to the 250s, maybe. Not sure. The entry looks like a bullish breaker, but now it just feels weird. It might want to go lower than the 70s. Who knows? Wow, it just went lower. Okay, never mind. If Trump would have been in a position right now, it would have been the greatest position. Amazing position. Yeah, amazing, a beautiful, a tremendous position. You know, it would be a tremendous, amazing position. It would be amazing, tremendous, billions of dollars, trillions of dollars a position. Yeah. Made it back. All right. Yeah, I was thinking to scalp it as well. The downside as it was falling. Good job, Natasha. Daily swing 2097. Have to check the 1 hour chart. As I said, today is about dig. Anyway, let me check this. Look at that. What a bounce here. What a bounce, but it didn't take out the low there. I still like the 474. I still like it. Kind of like it, actually. I kind of like it. Who knows? I might even So you guys are saying we're going down to let me just put the 200 level here. Let's put the 200 here. Quick phone call, sorry. A good friend of mine. It was just a quick phone call. All right. 19,900. Quite possible, I guess. Uh-oh. Here's my long position. I just went long. I went long. Maybe I shouldn't have. I know. Actually, oh, I'm okay. I'm okay with this. If it takes me out, then at least I know that we're going down. Maybe this week, yeah. I'm talking to the yeah, I talked with the market makers. They're doing the job, you know, they're moving the market. Yeah, this was a nice rejection. I liked it too. A nice inversion gap as well, but it's a bit tricky now. Feels like it again. Look at that, man. Wants to go down again. It's really tricky. I can't do this like that. Ah, come on. I have to close it. All right, closed it. Man, this sucks. What the hell is going on here? What's price doing? What's this all about? Yeah, macro time, but yeah. Oh yeah, I know what you don't. Yeah. Yeah. I feel like you have a point there. We're going lower and lower and lower. I'm afraid so as well. Yeah, I'm afraid so. Yeah, maybe scalp the longs, but I was really hoping that it will go there. I was really hoping that it will take that 474, but oh well. Nothing can be perfect. Nice. Let's go. Wow, and what's happening right now? Interesting. Is this gonna go lower? I wonder. Maybe. Is this gonna try to take out the 60s? Yeah, maybe it's gonna be only good for scalping on those longs. Yeah, exactly. Until 251. I mean, I like the 50s. That's true. 5-minute chart doesn't look so good. Not even the 15-minute. Oh my, look at this. Not ideal conditions, for sure. Let's look at this from a scalping perspective. So we should be breaking that 61 level, right? Not really a fan of this short. I don't know. Feels a little bit weird. Waiting for the 5-minute candle to close. I mean, it can just go for internal range all the way up to 340. How about that? There you go. So it took out that level. And now what? You know, now what it's gonna be. Could be a good scalp for the shorts. First fair gap here. Got rejected. It feels like it might go lower. Not sure. Not sure. Short to pop. All right. Let's see. 251. Yeah. So this looks like range trading. Maybe it's gonna stay like in a range until the Trump speech. Who knows? But the new hour is upon us in 4 minutes, so that could be interesting. And we could be in a range until then. So far, it's not really doing anything. All right. Republic. Oh, he's gonna speak. Okay. Be careful, guys. Be careful. I don't know what to think about it. It feels like it can pop anytime, you know, take out the previous high at 350s. So, you know, just gotta be careful. I'm trying to decide what to do. I'm not in a position, but I'm looking for a scalp if it wants to break the previous wick up there. That would be interesting. Nothing so far. Almost looks like a bearish flag, but on the 1 minute, but just a little bit. Still almost, now it's 1 minute. 1 minute until the new hourly candle. It's gonna be a nice surprise, that's for sure. Yeah. I'm looking to do some scalping, but first I need to see where this one wants to go. Alright, now it went lower. Interesting. Okay, going lower. Hey, man, what a drop. Down to the 50s. Ah, yeah, you told us. And down to 200. Looks like next target could be 20K. Who knows? All right. I maybe, you know what? Next time I'm gonna be dedicating a funded account to your calls. Really. I'm no troll. I know what everyone does not. 4-hour close. I mean, yeah, I think we have to eyeball with the 20K now. Is everybody scared right now? Risk off scenario in the markets. All right, Anthony. Oh, Kirk, yeah, Kirk also said it. I will lose money. Okay. Man, what an interesting turn here. So we have previous day low, Swept and broken. Now this was a nice break. Dedicate to fund it to me also. All right. Let's see. Now what to do, right? By the way, the Apex sale ends today. The 80%, just saying. Don't forget it. But we have some other ones. And going lower, look at that. Next sell side 114. I don't think I would enter. Let me look at this from scalping perspective again. Yeah, feels like it. Feels like it. I mean, if I put a trend line here as a bearish flag, this was okay, but this was a big move. But this would indicate that if we dropped 81 points, we should be dropping another 81, which is actually at one, well, not there, but 114. I'm going to put a line there to 114. 114. It might just want to go there. I might gonna have to take a trade on a different account here. Apex full port 20. Oh. The pumpkin. The pumpkin speaking. No. I'm watching this, but man, I don't know what to do. You know, if this breaks this level, I might even take a short, but maybe on a different account. Not here. Maybe here. And that level would be, yeah, 114. Okay, fine. Here we go. You know what? I don't know. I'm looking to enter a short. President Pumpkin. God bless America. Yeah, uh-oh. Stay lower for now. Yeah. Scalping is definitely a different type of thing to do. What I'm gonna do, by the way, is I am going to enter a short right here. Entered a short position. It's not gonna be a nice one, that's for sure. Can we go? You know what? I'm gonna be okay by taking off to here, and let's leave a runner to 15. How about that? How about this? You know. Scalp position. Targeting 131. All right. This is actually a $200 stop loss. But if I can get down to the 60s down there, I'm going to take a partial on this. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me, man? Oh. Only here on this stream. Only here. Yeah, 5K is absolutely amazing, man. Congratulations. Yeah. He's a pro. He's a pro. All right, what's it gonna be now? Are you kidding me, man? It's really messing up my mind right now. Bro. 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 All right. All right. All right. Break even. I don't care if it takes out. It was a good trade. I liked it. Now it can retest. Now this was a nice scalp. Taking some partial. I could have just gone for the 1-to-1, you know. And as it was down there, I could have just, you know, moved it. But let's see that 115 level. two nasty lots. Okay, let's go. I don't know if maybe it's gonna melt, but before that, it wants to take out my position here, which I don't mind. Oh no. Oh, it's a miracle. No, it's not. Okay, going back. Took parcels, so it's all right. So what's gonna happen now? Liquidity is at 56.25. Right there. 30 points away. 30 points. Anyone is interested? Yeah, I'm definitely yeah. Exactly. Actually, when this would close like this, look at this. Look at this candle shift here. I would consider this as a possible long position. I love this position here, actually. I think it's a great position. Waiting for this candle to close. And we'll see. There are no really good targets on the 5 and the 15 minute, but I'm gonna put a market order. I'm sorry, limit order here as soon as the candle is closing, which is now. Okay, put limit order. But it's gonna grab 56 first, I have a feeling. If not, then it's awesome. MACD is looking bullish. All right. Oh, I'm in the position. $100. The $200 marker is up there. It didn't go for the 5 minute level yet. Which is kind of interesting. Interesting. $114. Look at that. Might want to do that. Damn it. We're going lower here. Alright, I'm closing it. Man, I was really thinking that this one is like, you know, this is it. Trying to scalp it. I don't know. Yeah, went lower. So 114. $114. What is going on here? $30 points lower. That's where it would need to go. Kind of feels like it wants to. Yeah. Yeah, I can't enter. I was tempted, but look at that. 114, here we go. Just a small little, there you go. There you go. 114. Wow. How much did we drop from the top here? From London high. Well, actually today's high. 470 points. That was a nice little drop. And we don't even have major news at this time. How far are we going down? Even lower? Even lower? I mean, it seems like it. Yo, hello Teacher FX, what up? And motherfucker is here. Hey, no audio yet because I was not talking. Hey, by the way, I just saw the message, so ICT was talking about me. Thank you, motherfucker. It's a good news. ICT said, what did he say? Let me just read the message. I received the message. He said, give regards to Tom. What's up, hello Teacher FX? You're still in the cell? Oh my god, I need to give you an applause, Natasha. There you go. That's how you do it. That's why. That's one of the many reasons why women or ladies are better traders. Oh, Hello Teacher FX is in short as well. All right. You know, let me just show you how I did today. Not the best. Unfortunately, I have no MyFundedFutures funded account as of yesterday. So, but anyway, the Apex account still here. The Bulenox account, this is for payout. It's at $4,255. The new Bulenox account is today up $395 on that previous trade, and the other one is nothing. The Take Profit Trader account, this is a test account, is up a few $100s. I don't know. Oh, I don't even know how much up. And yeah, only $87. Nice. And the other one got passed. Today was the 5th trading day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm gonna have one more. So 5 funded accounts total. But I lost the MyFundedFutures funded account. So I hate my life when this happens. Venom, hey, good to see you. It's super easy, motherfucker. You can just connect with Quantower. You know, you can have multiple connections if you're subscribed for $27 per month with the discount. But the best discount code with Quantower, you can connect to multiple prop firms and you can see all these accounts and even more. Multiple connection, it's what's called at Quantower, or it's called advanced features to be exact, and it has the multiple connection feature. How you doing, Venom? Good to see you back. And yeah, I just got a discount code from Quantower a few weeks ago. So if you use the code TomSabo, it's gonna give you 10% discount from Quantower. You bought a Take Profit Trader account by mistake? How did you do that, man? How? Oh, I guess you were filling out the application form. Oh man, $44 for refund? I didn't know that. That's interesting. I guess you clicked on the purchase button, right? I'm paying attention, Kirk, because now could be a reversal. I'm watching, by the way. If this one is shifting the 139, we could go higher. So let's get prepared here. Let's get prepared. What would be... Okay, so with 1 micro it could work out. It could be a market structure shift, but let's be careful, alright? $204. Okay, so that's the level. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna have a line right there. Okay, here we go. Might be an opportunity to go long. Or we're just gonna dip lower. We're just getting very close to that 20k now. No, it's not gonna be a long position. It's not gonna be a long position, man. At least not yet. The bigger the pop, the bigger the drop. All right. Looks good for a scalp, to be honest. I'm watching the 205 level. It looks good on the 15 minute and the 5. I'm thinking to enter a long position. All right, I entered this a long position. Target is 203.50. I'm even willing to add to this position. Just only once with the micro if it comes down somewhere here. That's it. 0375 is my target. Maybe I could have entered on a better, much better position, I know. Let's see. Oh man. Why is this happening? Oh, I don't have a stop loss on it. Hold on. I have to put a stop loss on it. On 14 taken out. Let's go. 04. Maybe I'm gonna go with 03. No, 0375 is good for a possible target. I want to see that flat candle being taken out. I'm taking full TP, you know. I could leave just a small runner, but I would like to take the full TP on this one. I really need the profit. It's gonna hit it, I think. I'm pretty confident. Come on, hit it. The market makers, again. I know they're watching. There you go. There you go. All right. This was a scalp position as again, so I'm not really a huge fan of scalping, you know me, but actually this wasn't such a bad trade. I think so. And now comes 256 maybe, but I'm not in it. Yeah, so the 256 would be important because of the 15-minute chart. And also there's a small gap on the 5 minutes, so I'm curious about that. Yeah, he wants to go for it. I'm not gonna enter here. It would be chasing it. 56 should be taken out. I could have done a better job on this. But anyway. I can only make profits scalping. Nothing else works. Well, you know, whatever prints you money, that's what you have to do. You know, Tudor. Troy, what's up? How do you find areas of liquidity? Well, I'm just looking for fair value gaps and significant candles. Like, that's what I'm looking for. Fair value gaps, flat candles, swing lows and swing highs. Basically, those are the best places to find liquidity, you know. Usually. That's the best areas. Yeah, Nintendo. You have to adapt to the market. So, I was actually thinking to jump into a long, but it can also go down. I do like the 256 as an idea. So let me show you here. If you look at the 5 minute, we're talking about liquidity. There's a a small fair value gap. Right here, right there, which is technically the high of this 15-minute candle. There's a small, tiny area right in between. This is basically an area that holds a lot of orders, in my opinion. At least I saw that many times before, and it feels like a bullish flag formation. All right, I'm gonna scalp it for $100 maybe, or something like that. I don't know. Where is it? Uh-oh. This is not good. I have to use a bigger stop here. Negative risk to reward, I know. I was hoping in that 255 level. It's not doing it. Wants a deeper pullback. Unfortunate for me, but no problem. So need someone to adopt. Come on, man. You can't be so desperate, you know. Don't be so desperate. Yeah, sort in the middle. Oh man, almost out. No problem. Still gonna be in the green, but yeah, I was hoping that it will just, you know, burst through that 54 or 55. Oh my god, did you see that? It actually touched my stop loss. I'm still in the trade. I don't know how. Well, now it's gonna go down. That's one of the many reasons why scalping is not actually a really good idea unless you don't have a plan. Without a plan, I could be going degen and adding to the position here, but I'm considering this that I got lucky for now. So I'm still gonna wait. Oh man, this is slow. Turning to be high resistance liquidity run here. Actually, it kind of feels like a possible flag formation. From first time, which prop firm, what is the best, and take the plunge? Well, I would answer with a question, Troy. What is your trading experience? A multiple question. Depends on what is your trading experience. How much money you willing to spend, or I mean, how tight is your budget? What is your trading strategy? You know, all that stuff comes into to question when you want to decide which prop firm. I would say if you're totally brand new, if you're absolutely brand new, I would go with the cheapest upfront costs. That's what I would do. So go with the cheapest upfront cost. That would be today, as of today, it would be Bulenox or Apex. So yeah, saying which one is the best. I mean, I'm talking about, for example, Bulenox, and it's not my most favorite prop firm, but definitely in the top 3 or top 4. I think the best for now, including the payout policy, trading conditions, and everything, I think is Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures. But I would do, if I were you, the cheapest upfront cost, which is Bulenox or Apex Trader. What's Bulenox take on quick scalping? No, they have no issue with that for now, Jay. So no problems with that. Yeah, for now, Take Profit Trader is really, really at the top. Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, MyFundedFutures is good too. The cheapest would be no activation fee, yeah, but you know, that's how they make the money, with the activation fees. That's how they make their profit. Man, look at that. I'm willing to re-enter the scalp. I'm re-entering. And what I'm doing here is actually I'm going to end up in a loss anyway. I mean, not loss, but I can make back my previous loss. I still don't have a stop loss on this, but as a second chance, maybe. I'm looking for that 55, 56 level. And maybe to add one more to the position. Alright, that's it. Are you freaking kidding me? Finger is on the close button. I got so attached to that 55, man. No, I can't do this. It's gonna go down. Feels like it wants to go down. This is crazy. This is just crazy. Yeah, the cheapest one is MyFundedFutures with no activation fee. Yeah. Which account? Which the Bulenox is $148. $148. 148. Man, I don't think I can do this. We're gonna hit 20K, right? I have to get out from this position now. It doesn't seem like it wants to. There's definitely high resistance up there. It can't get through. It's having a hard time. I thought that it can go through, but it's not going. The 56 level is significant for now. Oh man, new 5-minute candle. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not adding more. Yeah, it's one time pay. I mean the monthly fee, there's the activation fee is one time payment plus the monthly fee for the evaluation, obviously. So are you kidding me, man? Okay. I still could have made more, but basically because of the previous loss, you know. But the 56 has been taken now, and this was a very bad entry, by the way. And if I would be true to myself, I would have I should have exited down there, and I just let it run. And my risk to reward ratio was off, and that's usually is for scalping. You know, when you're going for like 8, 10, or 15 points, it's not a bad. I mean, that's not the best decision. Whoa! Colin Fox, just subscribe to the channel. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. Oh. So yeah, I'm a little bit skeptical what to do here. Now it feels like it just wants to go lower. Greg, hello. It's Greg, everybody. It's going okay. We have a decent session, I guess, and we still have time from the kill zone. I feel like, I mean, let's look at trading view here. We got rejected from that interesting reaction from that 5-minute fair value gap. Rejected from the middle there. What is going on? Can we go back down? Is that really the thing that's happening right now? I feel like this could be still bullish. Bulenox option 1 or option 2. I'm okay with the option 1 with the intraday trailing because I don't mind the intraday trailing. It depends on your strategy. You know, it depends on your trading style, Greg. That's what I would say. What is your risk to reward ratio? How much you risk per trade? How many trades you take a day? You know, how much profit in dollar wise you make on a trade? You know, all that measurement. You know, I have to take everything to decide. So, yeah. Natasha is out. No thanks. Yeah. Yeah, so the option 1, the drawdown, actually it's for every unrealized profit. So if your account is up $1,000 with an open trade, and if you close the trade with only quote-unquote $500 profit, you just sacrificed $500 from the safety net. But don't forget, that's gonna lock in. That is locking in like on this one. So this is a Bulenox funded account, and as you can see right here, it locked in at 50,100. So basically, it's gonna turn into a static account after that. It's just gonna turn into a static account. I'm not worried about that, about the intraday trading, because I know my style. I know what I'm looking for on a particular trade. So, but again, when I was trading with MyFundedFutures starter account, which has a daily loss limit, I got saved at least 3 times on the same account and got to a payout because you know, I hit the daily loss limit and I couldn't go full tilt to blow the account at then. No. It's gonna lock in as soon as you reach your drawdown, your max drawdown. I mean, which is $2,600 on the 50K. As soon as you pass $2,600, it's gonna lock in at 50,100. So you don't have to be worried about that. It's gonna lock in, and then as you progress and make more profits, you're gonna have bigger and bigger wiggle room to trade. So it's turning into a static account. So it's gonna lock in. Right now, Greg, I would prefer Take Profit Trader or MyFundedFutures, but on the top right now is Take Profit Trader right now. Take Profit Trader, absolutely. I mean, I have a blog, by the way. Maybe you guys didn't know it, but I have a blog. I'm putting down the articles right now to the blog. that I have. It's at tomsabo.biz. And here you go. With Take Profit Trader. So this is my blog. With Take Profit Trader, no consistency rule. Trade however you want. No risk to reward ratio rule. No max contract limits. No scaling rule. No restrictions on position sizing. You can DCA. You can microscalp. You can bracket trade. Trade the opening range breakout. Trade earning reports. The only thing is that you cannot trade the news release, but that's pretty standard for most firms. Okay. So I have an article here on my blog. You can check it out. It's pretty much, you have everything here about Take Profit Trader. So, yeah. TPT to the end. Yeah, I mean, absolutely. For now, I think they are really, really awesome. I mean, the others are good too, obviously. So I have no problem with Bulenox and still no problem with Apex. But, you know. Others are good too. You have to diversify, especially in today's world. Yeah, exactly. Once you get the next day payout, you will, yeah. Imagine like you have an account with Take Profit Trader, which is over the safety threshold, because that's the goal, to get over the safety threshold. Once you're above the safety threshold and you make like $300 on a day, you can just click it out like that. Boom. You know. You can make a withdrawal every 24 hours if you want to. And since I had payout from trading, I can say from Take Profit Trader, I can say that it takes about international bank wire transfer for me from clicking out the money from the account, deducting it, everything. It took like 2 or 3 hours. If you do it in your business hours, usually. If you submit your request in London session, you might have to wait for New York business hours, but hey, it takes a few hours and no questions asked. Boom. That's why we love Take Profit Trader. That's their most and biggest advantage. The daily payouts. Okay, so what's happening? Are we going lower? It feels like it. 5 minutes until 11 a.m. What is down there? What is lower? We have the 20K. Are we going? What do you guys think? Are we going lower? I think we do. I think we might. The code for TPT, the cheat code, is up there. It's Tom Sabo, the same code for these prop firms that I use. You can use Tom Sabo. I do appreciate it, Greg, if you use my code. That gives a bit of a cut for me in the stream. Keeps me in business, because I never told otherwise. Without the affiliate commissions, I couldn't be here full time. So I do appreciate anyone and everyone who is using my code. But yeah, just type in Tom Sabo and you're gonna get the best available discount. Currently, there is no activation fee and 30% discount, but no activation fee. So, you know, exactly, Kirktown. The Tom Sabo code is not just increasing your chances to be funded. It's also a cheat code for the markets. And the Matrix knows it. You know, the market makers know. The Matrix know. If you use the code Tom Sabo, funding is guaranteed. 50% of the time. Every time. Alright, that's a good commercial. We should do something like that next time. 125. What is down there? 125 target. NQ, yes. how much of it will give? Also, what's the activation? How much? It gives 30%, Greg. 30% off. That's the biggest discount. So there's no bigger discount currently on Take Profit Trader anywhere. So 30% and no activation fee. That's the promo right now. Usually the activation fee is $130. Now it's waived if you get this account, and even if you blow the account, and if you keep the subscription, this is a lifetime discount. If you get rebilled the next month, even if the promo ends, your account is going to be still with the no activation fee thing. So the no activation fee is going to stay on this account. So that's it. It's a little bit more pricier than a MyFundedFutures account, but no activation fee. You know. Yeah, I'm the cousin of Neo. I am. I am. Shorter NQ, yeah. It's a little bit tough right now in this area, I think, in my opinion. It's a little bit tough, but done at 11:30. 11:30. That's what you're looking for. What is going on here? Retracement. Oh, heading into lunch. Okay. Yeah. Our lunch hour is close. But look at this. You will let it go after 11:30. I see. Man. It's a tough spot right here. I don't know. Hard to take a side. Even if I trying to put a trend line, I mean, no. It's just not it. It's just not it. Yeah, actually it looks like a little bit bearish. I might take a short on this. It's a bearish candle formation here. This current candle pretty much looks like a bearish engulfing candle pattern. And we might just break lower. I mean, what's 34? Yeah, I might just gonna jump in. But I'm gonna wait for a little very bearish. This could be a fake move up. Could be. Yeah, I mean $2,000, but I mean yeah, most prop firms give you oh, here's my entry. Most prop firms giving you like 2,500, but no daily loss limit at least. Or you can go with the bigger account. You know, worst case scenario. That's always an option. So, I mean, 2K should be enough if you're going for base hits. I mean, you know. Consistency rule is only for evaluation. Yes, 50%, but it's easy to do. So it's no issue. You get through the evaluation, you get all the juicy stuff on the funded account. I mean, which is basically almost no rules. Just don't trade the news. That's it. Just do not trade the news. Oh man, it's not going down. William, hey there. Does not have problems with microscoping. Take profit trader. Here it is. Here's my. If you guys want to go to my blog, go to tomsable.biz. This is the address. I have a fresh article about take profit trader. Here are the benefits. These are pretty much everything you can do with take profit trader funded account. Basically anything you want. So no consistency rule, no risk to reward ratio rule, no maximum contract size limit. I mean, you can go full port if you want to. I think it's stupid, but who knows? You know, no scaling rule, no restrictions on position sizing. You can DCA, you can micro scalp, ideal for fast traders. You can micro scalp, you can bracket trade, trade the opening breakout, trade earning reports. Just don't trade the news. That's it. Do not trade the news with Take Profit Trader. That's it. I think it's easy to remember, and I think it's pretty good. Look at that. I got almost that from this position. And leave the rest. Yeah, I think I might gonna close this position here. To be honest, I don't like this move. MyFundedFutures starter plus accounts. Yes, something about that. I mean, you can have an open position during the news if it's appropriate position size and you have a stop loss or something. I don't know. I have to go into that because they always come up with something new. I'm closing it. I closed it. Break even close. I got actually lucky that I didn't get taken out with the stop loss up here. So even if it goes down, awesome. I don't care. Or you can also go to pip.ninja. Both addresses go to my blog. So pip.ninja or tomsable.biz. And there's my blog. All right. So far, no classic entries on the upside. I mean, there was one here. Entering along from there. Maybe. No, 58, 120. Almost. It actually didn't get up there. It looks like it might want to melt lower. It might want to go lower. Who knows? I need to grab a drink. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Push the like button, subscribe, and let's watch this together. I need to grab a drink. All right. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's see what's happening. Ooh, we just went down. Maybe I should have left my position open, but it's spilt milk under the bridge. As what? Okay, as Jeremy Irons said in the movie Margin Call. Almost went down to take out that that low. Seems like it still wants to go lower. You're in another short, small micro with the tie stop. Let's go. Yeah, margin call. If you guys haven't seen that movie, go watch it. That's a homework. Watch that movie because it's an awesome, awesome film. Margin call. It's basically about the 2008 crisis, but it's from a different perspective, you know. King Jet is in longs. All right. Seems like the longs are still in play here. Let me check the 5 and the 15 minute. Still hot. This coffee is still hot. I need to get a coffee. I don't know. What's it gonna be? Oh man. What just happened? 2 accounts? Motherfucker, come on, man. What happened? Take profit takes long to reset, otherwise would have been 5. Hey man, motherfucker. What happened, man? What happened? Come on, I know you're better. I know you're good. What is going on, man? Come on. Planning to trade standard gold, and it's like 100 per point. Yeah, be careful, Greg, with gold. Gold can be, yeah, that can do some dirty moves, especially with that heavy positions. Yeah, so motherfucker, you know, what I can tell you, maybe, you know, get back on the horse race and just go small size, maybe with micros for a little bit. You should be okay. 2 accounts smoked. Oh, you forgot the limit orders. Oh man, that sucks. Yeah. All or nothing today now. All I can tell you, motherfucker, is just be careful. You know, I'm wishing you all the best and the blessings. And I know you're good because you've been around, and I'm definitely believe that you're passionate about this, but don't do over leveraging. All right, I know you can do it, but do not over leverage. I mean, try to. Who am I speaking? I do the same stuff sometimes. Too many. Well, it's all right. If you can manage the risk, mentally and everything, I know, but just we never stop. We're not. We can. There's no option B. Just be careful. Just be careful. All right. So far, nothing special here. Yeah, awesome, Greg. All right, how we're doing? Market should go down. Apple is the problem. So it's acting opposite as the others. So I can make like 2K a day. Yes, exactly. There's one thing, Greg, with Take Profit Trader. If you make 10K profit in a day, your account gets locked for the day. But don't worry, it's fine. So there's a cap for $10,000, especially for gamblers and stuff and everything. So $10,000 is the cap on the simulated funded account. The Pro Plus account is a live account, but there's no cap on the Pro Plus. But as long as you're on the Pro account, there's a $10,000 cap, as far as I can tell. And but for $2,000, you can get it. And also, as far as I've been told, once you withdraw $10,000, you are going to be moved to a Pro Plus account, which is basically a live account. But that shouldn't hold you back. The good thing is the daily payout policy. So yes, if you make $2,000 in a good day, yes, you can withdraw it. But there's an 80-20 profit split. Don't forget, 80% of $2,000, which is $1,600. So 18/20 profit split. That's how it goes with Take Profit Trader. Yeah, Greg. I'm going crazy with Take Profit Trader too. That's why I really want to do the daily payouts. So I got one more funded account with Take Profit Trader. I just had to flip it today, but here it is. I flipped it with negative $10. But here's my new Take Profit Trader funded account. It's only a 50K account, but it's cool. Which is possible? What do you mean, Nintendo? What do you mean? Which one is possible? Which? The rules? I mean, I think the rules are, the thing. Yeah, Kirktown is my son, basically. There, I said it. Kirktown is my son. So the rules with Take Profit Trader is the thing is that they do a withdrawal cap on the simulated funded account. And this is why when I see a prop firm that has a withdrawal cap on the simulated funded account, but, and that's very important, but they put you on the live account after you withdraw $10,000, then that's a good thing, because then I know that the prop firm is sustainable in the future. I mean, they have a business plan, they see the numbers, they have the recipe to be holding the company sustainable and solvent, obviously, for the long term. And so I have absolutely no problem with the $10,000 cap, and it's a good thing. So I think every prop firm, interesting that Bulenox doesn't really have a path to live. Somewhere they say in the fine print that they have the right to move someone to a live account or something like that, but the prop firms that are pushing people to live account are actually, those are looking for long-term business, and that's what I like. And Take Profit Trader is doing it big time. So yes, we are. We are, but that's a secret. Once you're over the 4,500, it's end of day 4. Yes. Basically, it's turning into a static account. So once you get above the safety threshold, your account is turning into a static account because there's no daily loss limit. Yes, Apex is doing that as well. At least they made a video about it many times. And, you know, when someone is making too much profit on Apex, they should be, although it's also being said that Apex is heavily relying on failed evaluation accounts and activation fees. And, you know, as of last year, we saw those court files that is going on between day traders and Apex, and it seems like Apex is making $10 to $15 million a month after payments. So net profit $10 to $15 million per month. So I don't think Apex is having financial issues at the moment. So seller is not done. Looks like it will be heavy closing. It could go. You can see something with sellers. Yeah, maybe. I'm not trusting the long positions right now. It feels like we might go down to 20K. Look at that, how close we are. Right there. So we're just close. And I don't know. If this one would close here, I might even take another short position. Who knows? I don't know. Are they really putting people on live? Yes, they do. I actually know people who are trading on live account with them. I mean, with Take Profit Trader. I don't know about Apex. Like, would they really? I mean, it's they are taking their profit from their simulated funded account. Oh, here it goes. And that's how they do it. Okay, candle close. I might gonna go short. 3, 2, 1. Scalping. Here we go. It's a very tight position. I know. Very, very, very tight position. Oh man, I was hoping that it will just drop lower. It's $70, so it's all right. I'm still gonna be in the green with this account. No. It's gonna go. Oh man, it's pushing higher. I don't know why. I was really thinking that we should be dropping lower, at least once. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. This is when I do scalping. The win ratio, maybe I reach 50%. Maybe. Come on. Just a little bit. Oh, man. Oh, it's teasing. It's just not going the way I like it. Well, I'm not sure. I might close it. Oh, come on. Yeah, I feel a bounce coming up. Could be a bounce. All right, I'm closing it. I was thinking that, yeah, now it will go down, but yeah, there you go. Of course, of course. But that was a scalp, so yeah, the 160 area is important. Yeah, it's always like this. The market makers. You blew an account. Oh, and dropped. Yeah, that's what happens. Of course. Alex, don't tell me it's not happening. It's always the same. And it's because the market makers are watching this stream. It's because of the market makers. It's 100%. It's not even a question, man. It's market makers. They are doing it. I'm telling you, if we're going lower than I'm in... Okay, the Matrix. The Matrix. Oh, what a bounce. Okay, so this is what I was afraid of up here. It might go up there. They are definitely watching Alex. Oh, wow, look at that. What is going on? What is going on? Yeah, London close. Yeah. Heavy discounted. Yeah. Swept this swing low. Interesting, by the way. Interesting point. If the next candle is gonna, I mean, if this one's gonna leave a fair value gap, I might even try to go for a long position. And I don't know. Try to look for going back up to the 300s. Let's see how this candle is gonna act, and we'll make a decision. Yeah, Europe close. Yeah. That's the thing. We need some kind of a buy-side sweep. Yeah. Damon, hey there. Absolutely insane. I agree. By the way, everybody, don't forget there's going to be a giveaway on tomorrow, I think Thursday or Friday, I don't know. There's a link in the description right below the stream, or Streamlabs is might be spamming right here. There's the link. There's the link there. $100 cash giveaway. check it out. You can fill out your email and name, and we're gonna pick the winner. If you're not here on the stream, don't worry. I'm gonna shout out on Twitter and send you an email. Actually, I'm going in for a long. So, just saying. Don't miss the opportunity. Enter the long trade. Not the best entry, I give you that. So Jonathan says easy money. Okay, so if I lose this, Jonathan is gonna pay $100 to everybody here. Make sure to stay. Jonathan is paying. Make sure to stay. Jonathan is here to pay. That's actually good. Not the best entry. I could have put a buy limit here at 166.75, which I usually do. 1,000. Everybody, make your screenshots. All right, I did mine. Jonathan said $1,000 to everybody. All right, all right. All right. What is happening? Come on. What is happening here? I forgot that post on PA wants to go the opposite. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I remember you saying that. On the giveaway, aside from entering entries, do we need to do something? No, well, I mean, if you enter, you can earn some extra points by clicking some links. You know, you click on Tradeify or Take Profit Trader links. So once you're in there, on because I use this third-party website for it. Once you're in there, you can click on a few links or follow me on Twitter. That's going to give you a few extra points, which is going to be increasing the chances on the raffle. But that's it. But you don't necessarily have to do. If you just register, you get 1 point. So there you go. But you can have more points, and you can click on the link and go in with your email. Your points are going to be registered, and you can click on the link once every other day. So these are daily tasks. So you can increase your chances by clicking the links more. Like once every day, once every day, every 24 hours, you can get another point. So with the same email. Let's hope how far. Yeah, let's see. I know what you don't. Let's see what he said. I tried to tell everyone to short earlier. By the way, man, I'm definitely. I mean, hey, let's do this next time as well, because I mean, guys, no troll here, really. I know what you don't actually called the markets really good quite a few times. I was actually amazed. But I know it's too late to ask you now. I know what you don't, but I need your approval on this trade. If you don't approve this trade, I might have to close it. Yeah. Yeah, it was absolutely crazy drops. Yeah, 1,000 points. Oh, done for the day. King Jet. Hey, listen. There's always the next setup. There's always the next day. You know, we just come back, we move on. Except X. I don't support Elon. Okay, no problem. No problem. I just saw that Saturday Night Live sketch on YouTube as they were doing the comedy from that Zelensky and Trump thing. And it was like, I was like, yeah, it's funny, but they didn't have to do too much with the script, right? Because everything was just pretty much as it happened. Probably will test 250. Maybe. Hopefully. Hopefully. I'm thinking to move the stop. Elon is the devil. I don't know. I mean, he's rich, you know. $286. Let's go. Took my stop loss at 108.50 just to move my way. Oh. Man, I don't know what the hell this wants. I mean, 44. Could have gone out here, by the way, with a 1-to-1 risk to reward, to be honest. It doesn't look too good now. It might be picking up some liquidity here, but if it trades above 230, I might put it to break even. But oh man, it's not looking good now. The 5-minute actually looks like it wants to go down. 15-minute looks a little bit weak. Not too much stuff happening, right? Oh, I see, Jay. All right. Up 1739 only with scalping. Jeez, are you a machine or what? What are you doing there? Some people are very, very, very good in scalping. I don't know how you guys have their... You have to be like nerves made out of steel or something. I don't know. Are we going higher still? Let's go. Pyramid while being as a risk-free trade. Well, as far as you're in a risk-free trade, then pyramiding can actually exponentially, you know, make you much more profits. I agree. I mean, sometimes, I mean, let's just go for an example here on this trade, okay? Let's assume, which would be great, if the draw on liquidity is right there at 263. Here's an entry on this fair value gap. So you enter once here in this area, and there was another fair value gap here. So you can do a basic entry here, and you enter once more here. Obviously your stop will be, I mean, your entry price should be seeking a little bit higher, like somewhere around 180-ish, but your stop can be moved down here, right? and I could do that. It wants 263.50. All right, this is gonna be it. Come on, let's go higher. I want to make some profits. Come on. We need this, everybody. Do something. Move. Come on. What's the deal with Apex activation fee? I paid last time. I think it's 125. How much is it now? I didn't get a new one. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Jesus. It should be 125. Oh my god, we did that. I think it's the perfect trade. The perfect trade to end the session. And saying that, this is it. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. It was a nice trade. If you would like to support the stream, don't forget to use the code. Apex is going to end today, don't forget, but Take Profit Trader is obviously the best. Thank you so much. I'll be back tomorrow for London session, and let's listen to this song because this is an awesome song. God bless you all.